To check the fuel pump circuit, I'm going to be using a Harbor Freight Multimeter by Syntec. If you're not familiar with how a multimeter works, multi is short for multiple, meaning it has multiple functions. This is for ohms, the ohm symbol. This is for volts, direct volts, direct, you can tell by the straight line. Direct current, this is alternating current. You can tell by the squiggly line under the V. This is for amps. All right, that's the off position. We'll be checking volts, direct volts, which is the V with the straight line beneath it. I'm going to turn it to 20. Most cars have a 12 volt system. But before we do that, we want to check your meter. Please make sure everything's connected. You can check it with the meter by turning it to ohms. And the way you do it is you connect your two leads together. You ohm it out, as they say. But basically just checking the continuity of the leads, and it should go to close to 0, if not 0. Disconnected, connected, and that's it. Let's go to, this is 200 ohms with a beep indicator. Check that. Alright, when checking electrical circuits, and you're supposed to back probe the connector. In some cases, it's a pain to get to, so I'm going to try this just to see. The only problem is with cars with a lot of miles on them, if you start messing with stuff, it'll break because the plastic's so brittle. You want to back probe from the back, that way you don't have to worry about messing with it. That's the whole idea of back probing, so you're not messing with the actual electrical connectors, the pins inside. These are the female, and spreading them apart and creating all kinds of other issues later on down the road. So that's the reason why they always tell you to back probe, so you don't do that. But in this situation, I'm sure they'll forgive me for this one intrusion. Hopefully. I got those in there contacting the female pins inside this plastic connector housing, and I'm on the outside of the pin, so I'm not spreading it apart. Turn the meter on to 12 volt, no, to the 20 volt section. It's reading 0. When you turn the switch on, it energizes the main relay via the battery to the fuse to the main relay. And there's little contacts in there, and I know I got power going in, going out, so I want to check and see if I got power going to the pump. The way it works is when you first turn the switch on, it energizes the pump to build up the pressure for about 3 seconds. So we got 12 volts. That wasn't even, that was like a 1 second, I don't know. But anyway, that's the whole idea. You make sure you got voltage going to the pump. Now, when I'm checking it this way, I'm checking the input from the power, and I'm also checking the ground. So I know that the fuel pump's, just doing it this way, I know that the fuel pump circuit is good. The best way to check it if you're having intermittent problem is to back probe it with it connected to the pump while it's running. And you can do a voltage drop across the load. All the voltage should drop or be used up by the load. One more time, because it's fun. What I do is I check for leaks before I start it. I'll do anything else, make sure nothing around the gauge is leaking. Reinstall the inspection bolt. Always replace the gasket, crush ring, whatever you want to call it. Torque the inspection bolt or service bolt. Clean the area, dry off the fuel. Reconnect the fuel pump.